Hello friends, NASA's Curiosity Mars rover found preserved ancient mud cracks that scientists believed were formed after long cycle of wet and dry conditions over many years. The discovery marked the first evidence of these wet-dry cycles on Mars. The cracks were found while the rover explored a transitional region between the area enriched with clay mineral and one enriched with sulfate mineral. The mud cracks were captured in this mosaic by Curiosity's Mustcam on 20th June 2021, the 3154th Martian day or soul of the Curiosity rover mission on Mars. The mosaic is made up of 143 individual images that were stitched together after being sent back to Earth. This figure shows a close-up of mud cracks. This figure shows another close-up of mud crack alongside the same image with the hexagonal shape outlined in red. The hexagonal shapes are similar to those found at locations on Earth such as Death Valley National Park's racetrack playa. They form only after many years of alternating wet and dry conditions. When the mud cracks initially form, they have sharp T-angle with their pits. After being gently rehydrated many times, those sharp angles soften into Y-shape that become ridges as the rock is eroded. Evidence pointing to wet-dry cycle is exciting to curiosity scientists because no one is exactly sure how life first formed. One prevailing theory suggests that these wet-dry cycles are supportive, perhaps even required. The conditions that sustain microbial life, a long-lasting lake, for example, differ from those that scientists think kickstart the chemical reaction that might lead to life. Driving those chemical reactions are long chain of carbon-based molecules called polymers, which require just the right conditions. Water is needed to mix chemically into soup, where they can react with one another. Too much water will dilute the soup, making it difficult for polymer-forming chemical reaction to occur. Too little water, and the chemical cannot adequately mix and react. Wet-dry cycle can strike a balance between these two. Curiosity Mars rover was built by NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, which is managed by Caltech in Pasadena, California. JPL leads the mission on behalf of NASA's Science Mission Directorate in Washington.